Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to beat level 144 in IQDungeon. So to do this, first make your screen go further down and place the big knight here so that he catches the small knight, and then just launch the small knight at the lever, like right here. Now place them somewhere around here and just point at the golem that is flying right here. And basically we need to wait now for him to actually wait, because we need to go to that side more, and we need to wait even more. Like that. Now we need to go back here, try this, then go to the middle like that, and now just wait for the right moment like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.